Okay, so a lot of you have been asking about my puppies that you've seen in a couple of my videos. So, well, there they are. The 3 dead dogs. This one is Demon. Demon, hi. Hi, Cash. That one's Demon. He's 8 years, Cash, get out of my way. He's 8 years old almost, and he is about 160 pounds. He is a giant Alaskan Malamute. This is my big baby. You tell him. Cash, shut up. That's Cash. He talks, see? And he's the big baby of the family. And Yoga Dog over there is Max. Max, come here. He's my little skittish puppy, kind of. Oh, Max. Okay, guys, you're a little close. Go. So, there's my puppies. Poof, are you sleeping? Poof, come out. Come out. Oh, there he is. This is Poof. He is my chinchilla. He's the cutest thing ever. Say hi, Poof. Come here. Oh, did I wake you? I'm sorry. This is Mr. Skink. He is a skink. Half lizard, half snake. That is Mr. Skink. Okay, they have their own room. These are the birdie butts. Hi guys, I know, you're getting filmed. That's Sophie. Say hi, Sophie. Go ta-da! Ta-da! That one is Draco. That is Baby Maestro. Oh, I know, you're being filmed. It's so scary. There's Phoenix. Hi, Big Bird. You gonna say hi? That is Cosmo. That's Baby KO. Say hi. Woo. Say hi, Baby KO. And let's see, a couple other ones are flying around. There he is. There's Turtle. Well, and Tumbler. Turtle, Tumbler. Hi, Tumbler. Hi, Turtle. And where's, oh, there's Baby Jade. Hi, Baby Jade. Say hello. You gonna say hi? Oh, Big Eagle. Ooh, say hi. Okay, well, hi, Sophie. Ta-da! And there she goes. Okay, so there's their room. I did a whole paint job, shut up, on their room, and it's covered in, there you go, plastic stuff, because they like to chew. So, then they have all their stands. They have a radio. I'm going to be buying them a TV soon. So yeah, there's, oh, I even did the ceiling and everything. So, there's the birdie butts. And that's really it.